How to add a coupon code in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a coupon code into your email from the Mailchimp campaign. The process is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial and you are going to know how we can do that. Basically, Mailchimp is a email marketing platform that will rely on some of these stores that you are going to create. So basically, who doesn't know what is Shopify? Basically, I'm going to integrate or I have integration from my Shopify store into the Mailchimp platform. So how we can add the discount codes? You are going to create the discount code into your shop or your store first. Then what we're going to do is to have this discount code. For example, I'm going to put this one new 10%. You can go ahead and copy and paste the discount code. As you can see, this is a generated code, or you can go ahead and create one. Click on discount if you do not know how to create or you don't not have a code yet. Select the type of the discount and then you are going to get a code of it. So now we are going to head over the discount, or not the discount, but the email marketing platform, and then we are going to create an email. So that email is going to be used for, let's say, further campaigns that we are going to launch. I'm going to select here basic, and it is going to be available for every designed or blank, let's say here, template. I'm going to select one of these and then we are going to have it right there. So make sure that you are going to create your email properly. After you have created your email, what are we going to do is to have mentioned on the email the code. So I'm going to give you only the easiest method. So for example, this code is related to a product. So what we're going to do is to add a product, and that product is going to be from your Shopify store. So I'm going to select here one of the stores that I have. For example, this one, I am going to click on add, and then we are going to add the block. So I'm going to add the block, this block, and then apply your discount, for example, discount code. And we are going to paste that code. So we are going to put or change maybe the color of that code. So block background. So we are going to see here if we can change that code. Let's say here color. So here we can go ahead and make that a little bit not let's say not bold, but the code is going to be bold. So let's let it as it is. So I don't know how we can change the color on it, but I think it is going to be from there. Doesn't matter. I'm used to the old navigator or the old editor. Now, it is not a problem. So basically, when you have mentioned the code, apply your discount code, and you have mentioned a product, when they are going to click on view, they are going to be taken to that specific store that you have the product from, and then they are going to copy and paste the code that they have seen on the email. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.